Okay, today we are going to focus on comparing and contrasting texts. So what does that mean? All right, so when we compare texts, we focus on the main points and details and how they are alike. So key questions to focus on when we're comparing texts are: how are the main ideas of both texts similar? How are the key details of both passages alike? When we contrast texts, this is when the main points and details are different about both topics. So key questions to help with this are: how are the main ideas of both texts different? How are the key details of both passages different? So how do I compare and contrast informational texts on similar topics? 1. Read and find the main idea of both texts. Remember, the main idea is what the text is mostly about. 2. Find which facts in the texts are similar. What key details are alike? And 3. Find which facts in the texts are different. What key details are different? So the directions today for your activity are: first, to read the passages on the next slide or listen to me read them aloud. 2, answer the 2 questions in complete sentences. So I restated the question for you, but I need you to finish it with a complete idea. And then number 3 is to watch the videos after that and complete the diagram. So let's read the passages. Penguins. Text 1, Adelie penguins. Adelie penguins stand about 27 inches tall and weigh up to 15 pounds. They live in Antarctica, which is the coldest continent on Earth. When the female penguin lays her egg, it will hatch sometime in the month of December. The Adelie penguins enjoy eating krill. Krill are shrimp-like creatures found in the ocean. They have black and white coloring. Adelie penguins are very interesting penguins. Text 2, Emperor penguins. Emperor penguins stand about 4 feet tall and weigh anywhere from 50 to 100 pounds. You can find emperor penguins waddling and swimming in the ocean around Antarctica where they live. When a female emperor penguin lays her egg, it will hatch sometime in July. The father emperor penguin cares for the egg until it hatches in July. Emperor penguins feed on fish and squid. They have a black and white coloring. Emperor penguins are a fascinating member of the penguin family. Number 1, how are the 2 texts alike? So now, be careful, the question is not asking how are these types of penguins alike, it's asking how the 2 different texts are alike. So how is passage 1 about Adelie penguins similar to passage 2 about emperor penguins? And then how are the 2 texts different? What is different about this? That is different about this one. Okay, and then on the next slide, you are going to watch videos about both types of penguins. This is the Adelie penguins, and this is the emperor penguins. And while you're watching these, you need to ask yourself, what is the same about these videos? What is different about these videos? So watch this video first and see what you notice about the video. What does it include? What does it focus on? What does it show? And then watch the other video on emperor penguins and focus on what does this video have in it that this one didn't have in it. Okay, so compare and contrast the videos, not the information in the video. So be careful of that. I don't want to know the difference between the penguins. I want to know how the videos are different. What did this video use or show you? Maybe it's words and text or sounds and music or different angles of the camera. Maybe one camera is above the water, one camera is under the water. So watch the videos and pay attention to those little details. And then after, you're going to finish the last slide by filling out the Venn diagram telling me how the videos are similar and different. Okay? And that's it. Just message me if you need any help. Good luck!